there. I just want to talk about 3 types of dice patterns your child may have as part of his or her math program. So the first type of dice pattern you could possibly see is a solid pattern like this. Just 2 dots on a card, 3 dots, and these will go up to 5. The next type of pattern you might see is one that's taught for generalization purposes. So it's still a pattern, but might be shown in a slightly different way than your standard dot. And the last type of dice pattern you could see is one where the counters are laid out in discrimination of each other. This simply means that you're going to see 2 different colors on the dice pattern. So here's some examples. Now, when we're teaching math, we're still teaching kids to subbatize. So to put those different patterns together, to see it as a set and to not count. So when you see an activity for CRA, you'll find that the instructor will do something like this. Get ready. How many? And so you could say it was 4. You didn't need to count 4. You just saw 4. Another example of this could be in your generalized patterns. Get ready. How many? And they should say 5. And when we ask this question, the picture shouldn't be present because we want the children to be able to picture those things in their head. We're really teaching those great recall skills, which our children will be using for reading comprehension and all parts of their life in academics. So that recall skill, which is so much embedded into this math program, is really important and could be used for more things than just CRA. And this is the last type of dice pattern. Again, it's your just dice pattern in discrimination. This gets a little tricky, so get ready. How many were all together? How many were purple? And how many were yellow? Were you able to remember? So in this way, we're also teaching our students to attend, really look at the whole thing. And then as they're picturing it in their mind, they're able to break it apart. And this also is one of those prerequisite concepts we need, that mental math needed for addition. We're breaking these things into parts and putting them together, and that's what addition really is. Okay, any questions? Feel free to ask your teacher. Have a wonderful day.